In front of me is Realme P3 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can use one-handed mode. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling all the way down to tap on Accessibility and Convenience. Then you need to scroll again to hit one-handed mode and use this gray switcher to activate it. Finally, follow all of those instructions. Swipe down from the bottom of the screen to enter one-handed mode. Swipe up to go back to standard size screen. You can also click on this area to go back. If you want to disable one-handed mode completely, use the same no blue switcher. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!